Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Eden by Dosti Realty located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. And in this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, carpet area, master plan, floor plan analysis, parking, maintenance, possessions, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on land parcel of 1.5 acres that will have a standalone tower with 2 wings of 2 basement, ground, 3 podium plus 32 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and 2 BHKs are sold out, so quickly grab your 3 BHK. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Brahman Circle, Thane, from where Kolshet Road is only at a distance of 1 km, Hiranandani Estates is at a distance of 1 km, Padlipara is at a distance of 1.5 km, and you have Thane railway station at a distance of 15 minutes drive from the project. And now talking about the amenities, internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platforms, washroom fittings and much more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the master plan of the project, as you can see in the image, this is the master plan. Here you can see the tower that will have 2 wings with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 650 and 702, which is sold out, and 3 BHK the carpet area of 963 and 1039. And now talking about the floor plans, as you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of wing A, with each floor having 6 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases, and this is the typical floor plan of wing B, with each floor having 4 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. And now talking about the unit plans, as you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 3 BHK in the carpet area of 963 square feet. Talking about the parking part, this project has basement and podium level of car parking facilities. And now talking about the maintenance varies with configuration, and since 2 BHKs are sold out, 3 BHK maintenance ranges between 9,000 to 10,000 per month. Also, talking about the possession part, the RERA possession date for the project is of August 2027, but the target possession is for March 2027. And now talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Eden by Dosti Realty located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.